Hi everyone! Today, I'm going to walk you through the assembly tutorial for the Jmmico build and paint birdhouses kit. With the included materials, you can build to different birdhouse designs, D and E. Let's start with Model D. Our wood planks are numbered. Step 1. Locate planks 1, 2, and 3. Insert plank 1 with the pointed top facing upward into the left slot of plank 2. Insert plank 3 with the pointed top facing upward into the right slot of plank 2. Step 1. Completed. Step 2. Locate plank 4. Insert plank 4. Step 2 completed. Step 3. Locate plank 5. Insert plank 5 and push it upward into the slot until it locks securely in place. Step 3 completed. Step 4. Locate plank 6. Insert plank 6 and push it upward into the slot until it locks securely in place. Step 4 completed. Step 5. Cut a piece of hemp rope, thread it through the holes in planks 5 and 6, and then tie the ends together. Step 5 completed. Step 6. Locate planks 7, 8. Insert plank 7 into the center of plank 8. The round hole in plank 7 will be used to hang the wind chime. Step 6 completed. Step 7. Insert plank 8. Push the plank 9 and plank 10 in the slot to secure the birdhouse. Step 7 completed. Step 8. Insert planks 11, 12, 13. Insert plank 11 to the roof. Insert plank 12 into the left side of the birdhouse. Insert plank 13 to the right side of the birdhouse. Step 8 completed. Step 9. Insert plank 14 and hemp rope. Cut a piece of hemp rope and thread it through the top hole of plank 14 and then through the bottom hole of the birdhouse. Step 9 completed. Step 10. Take out the wind chime and silver thread. Cut a section of silver rope. Thread the silver rope through the wind chime, then through the bottom hole on plank 14. Model D is complete.